Engine 98, Rescue 98, Tom 1, Tom 2, copy a 401B in front of Foothill High School. Engine 98, Rescue 98, Tom 1, Tom 2, 401B on Heather Drive in front of Foothill High School.
Control Tom 4, copy update. I got 2 vehicles involved. Looks like one 419, one we're gonna need life flight, and ambulance for the other one. Looks like an apparent 449.
Silent. If you give up that right to remain silent, anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to speak to an attorney before answering any questions, and to have an attorney present with you while you're answering any questions. If you cannot afford an attorney will be appointed for you by the court at no cost to you, and you need not answer any questions until that attorney has been appointed for you. If you decide to answer questions now, you may stop at any time and talk to any attorney before any question continues. Do you understand those rights? Follow this officer, please.
Mr. Dow, you are charged in count 2 with driving under the influence of alcohol causing death. Mr. Dow, you are charged in count 3 with driving under the influence of alcohol causing substantial bodily harm. Mr. Dow, you have committed a criminal act which is irresponsible, reckless, and inexcusable. You chose to drink alcohol, then get behind the wheel of an automobile. As a result of your intoxication, you caused a traffic collision that killed 2 of your own classmates and left another paralyzed for life. At this time, I'm going to sentence you on your behavior. On count 1 of the criminal complaint, Mr. Dow, I sentence you to a minimum term of 20 years in the Nevada State Prison and a fine of $5,000. On count 2, Mr. Dow, of the criminal complaint, I sentence you to a minimum term of 20 years in the Nevada State Prison and a fine of $5,000. On count 3 of the criminal complaint, I sentence you to a minimum term of 20 years in the Nevada State Prison and a fine of $5,000. Additionally, not only have you ruined your own life, but you have also ruined the lives of your friends. Mr. Dow, you're going to have a long time to think about what you have done. At this time, I'd like to ask the marshal to please take the prisoner into custody.
Looks to be permanent. She's most likely paralyzed from the waist down. Can you hear me? I'm gonna call time of death, 9:33. Despite our best efforts, we were unable to revive her, and she has died.
Your time has come.
Gabriella Marie Nellis was killed in a car accident on February 7, 2013.
Fatal injuries sustained in an automobile accident.
Involved in a tragic fatality struck by a drunk driver on her way home from babysitting. Sydney was a senior at Foothill High School,
He was a junior at Foothill High School. Junior at Foothill High School.
where she was also student body president. Enjoyed playing tennis and baseball for Foothill High School.
He was on the track team at Foothill High School. Funeral arrangements will be announced at a later date. Her memorial service will be offered by Sarah's favorite pastors. Funeral services will be held on February 21st at Green Valley Christian Center, with burial to follow at Palm Memorial Park.